Hi, today we're looking at course instructor feedback form. This is a simple form which students can fill in to give the feedback for their course instructor. So as you can see, this form has few fields like the student ID, the email, course, and all the details that particularly course would have. And then once the student fills in all these records, you can capture the responses under the responses view. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go to the form builder and we're going to click on share form and click on copy form link. As we do that, we have the link for the form. Expose this link to the particular student who wants to give the feedback. And once they have this form link available with them, they can fill in all the details. So I'm just quickly filling in some of the random details over here just to test what is possible. And then I'm going to provide the course name, instructor feedback, and then I'm going to click on submit. As I click on this, you will be able to see the response has now been submitted. And if I go back to the responses view, you can see the new response has been captured over here. So this is how a student can fill in the particular form for course instructor, and you can capture the responses under the responses view. All the fields are of course editable and they can be modified as per your choice. You can edit and play around with the settings of the form, and you can define it as per your own requirements. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. It helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. For this, it requires a Google document as a source of a template file where you can define the PDF document, and it requires a database in the form of a Google Sheet or a Notion database which has a source of data that can be replaced on the PDF document to generate bulk PDFs. And I've added a video of how this is exactly possible for invoicing. So you can watch this video of how invoices are generated in bulk using the exact flow that I just explained. So you can use the exact same process for any of the documents that you might have in your own business, and you can generate those documents in bulk. Reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you or assist you with any of the queries or questions that you might have, and I will be happy to assist you further on that. Thank you. Have a great day.